I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, today is June 28th, 2019, and we're going to be doing an unboxing from Newegg for another Ryzen 3 2200G platform upgrade. So recently, that Dell computer on the floor was traded in for an upgrade. But of course, because it being the type of Dell machine that it is, it's obviously not compatible with regular off-the-shelf components like the motherboards and stuff like that. So we're going to be building it in the case that's sitting in the floor there. That is the former computer chassis from the first of those two computers from the smoker's home, and I've went through and cleaned this thing out deeply. Blew it out with the air compressor again, and it went through with paper towels and Windex on the interior and exterior of the whole thing. And just really went at it. So it's a whole lot cleaner now, and it should be well suited for building another system in. But anyways, back to the Newegg box. I want you guys to have a look at something here. I mean, the box is just beat all to crap. Beat on this side, beat on the top. So if you've watched the previous videos, you would obviously have seen how the previous Newegg boxes arrived, and they arrived. I think most of them arrived in good condition. Well, they were shipped via FedEx. This one was shipped via UPS. And that's why I can't stand freaking UPS. They're rough on everything. They treat packages like crap. So I'm hoping that our contents arrived undamaged. And here we have some deflated airbags, which is why I can't stand these either. I mean, they're definitely not here. They have been punctured. Yeah, it says awesome is inside, well, or awesome is here. Let's hope it ain't broken. Okay, so here's the... Oh, did I get a free CD drive with this today? I only ordered one, guys. I'll have to double check the Newegg invoice, but I believe I only ordered one of those optical drives. Yeah, so it should have one motherboard, one APU, one memory kit. The hard drive I ordered from Go Hard Drive, and it's right here. It's already unboxed. So, it does look like everything else arrived just fine. There's a motherboard. Yeah, it should be okay. But yeah, I'm telling you, freaking UPS, they're just so freaking hard on stuff. Yeah, I'm going to double check the Newegg thing. Maybe I mistakenly ordered two of those optical drives, but anyways, yeah, let me go check on that. Okay, guys, I just went back and double checked my invoice, and I was right. I did not order two light-on optical drives, but they shipped me two of them, so I have a free optical drive out of this. Yeah. Let me see here. And by the way, guys, this is not the first time I have received an extra item from Newegg like this. It's rare, but it has happened one time before. And under U.S. law, if this happens to you, you do not have to return any extra items. That is considered a gift under the I forget exactly what law it is, but I think it's under the FTC. If you do receive an extra item like that, you do not have to return it. So, yeah. I wonder how often this happens with Newegg. That's a good question. Newegg lost about $20 there, because that's how much these usually cost. About $20 a piece. I don't think I ever uploaded the video to YouTube back when this happened, but back in, crap, was it 2013? 2013? 2012 or 2013? Okay, yeah, it was 2013. I did a system build for a friend. Ordered Ace-Rock motherboard, AMD A-Series APU, Seagate 3TB hard drive, either 8 or 16 gigs of RAM, new power supply, I do think. Your typical system. Did not order a solid state drive, but lo and behold, this arrived in the package. This Seagate Enterprise SATA SSD. I was shocked. And this is back when SSDs were a lot more expensive, especially an enterprise grade one like this. Yeah. So yeah, back then, this arrived. I asked the builder. Well, first I looked up online just to make sure that I checked all the, make sure all the legal stuff was out of the way. And as mentioned, under U.S. law, in cases like this, if you order something like this and you get an extra item that's not on the packing slip, you are not obligated to return it. You are allowed to keep it as you're allowed to keep it for yourself. So I asked the guy. He said he was not interested in the SSD. Why would somebody be not interested in one? Who knows? But this solid state drive spent about, I don't know, 5 years in the Mid-Tower Deluxe. Yeah, this was the solid state drive that was in the Mid-Tower Deluxe for 5 years. And it was a freebie. So that was rather interesting. So, given I did not have any extra SATA optical drives on hand, it doesn't hurt to have an extra. So given I was pretty much out of SATA burners, CD DVD burners, sure, I'll take the free gift. Wow, that's something else, guys. So anyways, that is a Newegg unboxing, and an unexpected free item was included in it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.